KuCoin Crypto Investment Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to KuCoin's crypto investment platform are provided in the description below. Let's dive straight in. KuCoin is a globally recognized cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide selection of supported coins and advanced trading features. It is designed for both beginner and experienced traders who want access to various investment options, including spot trading, margin trading, futures, and staking. The platform supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, which makes it an excellent choice for those looking to diversify their portfolios. One of the key benefits of KuCoin is its competitive fee structure. KuCoin charges a flat trading fee of 0.1% for both makers and takers, which is relatively low compared to other platforms. For those who hold KuCoin's native token, KCS, there are additional fee reductions, making it even more cost-effective for frequent traders. Margin traders can also benefit from leverage of up to 10xx, allowing for higher potential returns. KuCoin also provides advanced trading tools, including detailed charting features and real-time market data, allowing traders to make informed decisions. The platform is highly customizable, which is perfect for users who want to tailor their experience to their specific needs. Additionally, KuCoin's mobile app is well-designed, giving users the ability to trade anytime and anywhere. Security is a top priority for KuCoin, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for user funds, and a comprehensive insurance fund to protect assets in case of a breach. The platform is also regulated in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring compliance with global standards. For those looking to earn passive income, KuCoin's staking service offers competitive rates on several cryptocurrencies. This makes KuCoin an attractive platform not just for traders, but for investors who want to grow their crypto holdings. Overall, KuCoin is a versatile, secure, and feature-packed platform suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, KuCoin offers everything you need. Check the links in the description for more details.